Hello everyone, the module called Lot and Serial Expiry Report Track will help user to generate report of expiration of lot and serial number. To do this, let's go into inventory and check how that works. Here, first we go into inventory and here in the product, let me go into one of the product. As you can see into this product, there is an inventory menu. Here you need to enable two fields which are tracking and the expiration date. According to that, the report will get tracked. Also, you can get the idea of all the serial number related to this. So let me quickly go into reporting and show you how the reporting will come out. So when you click on the reporting, you will get a wizard in which the selection of report, expire within and product will be asked. So you can get the report with the product wise as well as lot and serial wise. You can give here in how much date it will expire. So I'm giving here 10. I can select the product over here. So as of now, I am giving the acoustic block. You can select multiple product as well and let me print the report. So once the report is printed, it will give all the serial number related to that product name as well as the expiry day, also the quantity which is attached to this particular lot and serial number. So let's check how that works with lot and serial number. You need to enable. Let me select one or two lot and serial number over here. It also allows you multiple selection. Once you selected, you need to print the report. Once the report is printed, you will see all the lot and serial number wise related product expiry and the quantity into that. So this is how this module is helping to user to get a track of all the lot and serial expiry report according to the selection as well as the given dates. If you have any query, you can write down your query in the comment section below. Also, do not forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.